Hello, everyone. I'm Dan Siegel, and it's an honor to connect with you and to hope that you're going to join us at the EMDR 2022 virtual conference in September. I'll be speaking about we are intraconnected, living into the wholeness of life, and exploring how in EMDR we dive deeply into the experience of self. And we'll be looking at the notions of whether there is a noun-like separate self, or rather, are we more like a verb-like set of interconnected unfoldings from the point of view of the individual, but an intraconnected unfolding from the point of view of the whole system. We'll see how in the work of EMDR and deep psychotherapy, the transformation, as Francine Shapiro would have, I think, urged us to consider, is not just alleviating symptoms, but releasing a new way of living into this wholeness of life that we can simply call being a me and a we, and together it's a we. And that's the intraconnected way of living that I hope you'll join with me in exploring as a plenary speaker for the EMDR conference coming up. I'll see you there.